Display size. Apple iPhone 15 is 6.1 inches. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 is 1179 into 2556 pixels, with 461 ppi density. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 is Super Retina XDR OLED. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is LTPO AMOLED. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 is Ceramic Shield Glass. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, HyperOS. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple A16 Bionic. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 is Hexacore processor. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Octa-core processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple GPU. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Adreno 740. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 is 6 GB. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 12 GB and 16 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 is 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 12MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 48MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 is 3,349 mAh battery, with 15W fast charging. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 5,000 mAh battery, with 90W fast charging. Spec winner.